Good afternoon, guys. Hope you are doing well. Welcome to another video. Unfortunately, there's quite a few flies around in this video, so just bear with me while I swat some flies around. I just thought I'd sort of get out a bit, so I just went for a little drive, which isn't too far from home, but it's pretty much exactly the same as being in the bush. I definitely can't complain. So I just thought I'd do a quick little video of how I do my sort of battery and solar setup. Last night I just sort of inserted a little LED strip light into the back of the canopy, which is just over there. So I thought it might be nice just to show you guys the basic setup. So I'm not actually camping or anything like that, so the back of the bakkie is empty pretty much. As you can see, there's not really anything going on in there. The only thing that I have in there is the battery box, which is that over there, and you can see the cable feeding up into the back of the window. Sorry, it's difficult to point my finger in the right direction when it's like that. But so yeah, basically I haven't got a mount for my solar panel yet. That's what I've been trying to look at this week. I haven't really found a way to do it yet. I want to do it on mounted on top of the canopy here with sort of those U-shaped bars, which then runs all the way across, with the bottom of it then mounted into the rails of the canopy, and the top section is where the solar panel will go, but I haven't gotten around to that yet. So I actually just did a what do you call it, oh, these flies are irritating. I just strapped it to the top of the roof here. I did that a couple of weeks ago when I went away with the Land Cruiser, which had stayed sort of perfectly still without any worries, but the road that I drove now is quite corrugated and bumpy, and I see it has shifted a bit. I had it sort of more centered, and obviously the ratchet also more centered on it, so it's seemingly slid back a bit. So at least it was a good little test run just to see if I can permanently do the ratchet, but seemingly not so if it's going to be such corrugated road. So yeah, I'm going to have to just sort out a bracket for that to go on top there. But yeah, let me just quickly show you guys the battery and the connection and the little LED strip light that I put in yesterday. There is the solar panel on top of the roof. It's a 120 watt solar panel that I got from 4x4 Direct. Works like fantastic. No issues with it yet. It charges my battery perfectly, and I can run my 60-litre Snomaster off of it as well. So basically I've just got the cables running through the window down here. Bit of a mess, I still need to kind of sort it out fully. And then yeah, I just got the battery in there, as you can see at the moment, or I might not be able to see so well. It's feeding 13.7 volts, which is pretty decent. Yeah, so the only thing that I have plugged in is this LED strip, which runs across here. So it's one of those sticky tape ones, which runs with a USB. So in this battery box I've got two USB sockets here, so all I need to do is plug it in, and voila, we have light. Obviously it's daytime at the moment, so don't see it that well, but when it's dark then it kind of lights up a lot of the canopy. I do have another one as well that I might run across here as well, because I have the freezer over there when that is plugged in. But yeah, so I'd say for now this works well. What sort of different setup would you guys recommend, or a different way to, yeah, I guess just different way to run things, set things up, strap things in, bracket things? I'm not electrical or engineer or anything along those lines, so I'm completely novice to all of this stuff. I just learned most of my things from watching other YouTube videos, so hopefully someone can learn something from here as well. Or if you guys have any suggestions and feedback that would be great if you guys can just drop that down below. Actually just checking now as well, how do you guys sort of dust seal your bakkies? With this canopy, it's a bush tech canopy. Really awesome canopy. Also got these dust kits here, which just get sort of pop riveted on the inside there. So that's on both sides of the opening tailgate. Obviously there's nothing here either, so dust can still get in, but one of my main sort of areas that I'm wanting to seal up is actually at the front. There's the little holes under the load bin here, which I've just put in little foam that keeps sort of popping out again. So there's this side and then one over there as well. I know that you're supposed to dip them maybe in some form of liquid, but I'm not 100% sure what that is. If any of you guys know what that is, or a different way to seal those gaps, that would be great. Please do let me know. For now, I'm just going to enjoy coffee that I made just before I came out, and just enjoy the peace and quiet, bird life in the background, and also just looking for some places where I can go camping while I'm still in Namibia. If you guys have any recommendations of great places that you've been, that would be great. I'm currently in Windhoek, so kind of, you know, in that vicinity I can travel, you know, around, but not completely, you know, up to like the North Rundu or complete south. So sort of, you know, say within 300 kilometers of Windhoek. It'd be great to check out some other places. I'm actually just gonna have a little look through Tracks4Africa, the map now as well, just to see if there's anything that I can find on there. Tracks4Africa map, just to see if there's anything sort of indicated in terms of campsites, or, you know, just little off or gravel roads that look fun to go and explore. So this is really a great thing to have, especially if you pair it with the navigation app as well, because then, you know, you can track where you're going, see how long drives are where you are located, and you can use it offline as well. So that's really something awesome to have. And then, yeah, it's just sort of nice to be able to use these maps as well, you know, especially if your phone is dead or whatever the case is, you can still pinpoint sort of where you are on the map, and just kind of see where you're needing to go next. So I'm just gonna have a little look through that, see if there's anywhere exciting to go and explore this weekend. And yeah, I hope you guys are enjoying the videos. Thank you for watching, and yeah, if you do enjoy it, please do like and subscribe, share it, all of that kind of stuff. It really does help out, and just knowing that you guys are enjoying the content as well, you know, makes it easier to want to do more. But yeah, not sure what the next video will be, but hopefully I'll see you guys then. And yeah, keep safe in this time.